In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar. To get started, open Notion in your browser and go to the Notion Getting Started page. This is simply a convenient place to begin, because it gets you into your workspace where the calendar connection lives. Once the page loads, look to the left sidebar and select your workspace. If you use multiple workspaces, take a moment to confirm you are in the right one, since the calendar connection you set up will apply to the workspace you choose. Next, open your workspace settings. You can do this by clicking Settings in the sidebar. This is where Notion keeps account-level connections, like email and calendar integrations. When the Settings panel opens, find and click Mail and Calendar. This section is specifically designed for connecting Notion to external services, and it is the area you will use to link Google Calendar. Inside Mail and Calendar, look for the option to add a calendar. Click Add Calendar to begin the connection process. Notion will guide you through a sign-in and permissions flow so it can communicate with your Google Calendar. This is an important part of creating a two-way sync, because Notion needs authorization to both read from your calendar and write changes back when you update events. Now select Continue with Google. This will open the Google sign-in window. Choose the Google account that owns the calendar you want to sync. Then follow the prompts to grant the requested access. Read the permission screen carefully so you understand what is being shared. In most cases, the default permissions are necessary for syncing to work correctly. After you complete the Google authorization, you will be returned to Notion. At this point, your Google Calendar is connected in the Mail and Calendar area, and Notion can sync calendar data between the two services. If you do not see the connection right away, give it a moment and keep the settings page open briefly, since initial syncing can take a short time depending on account size and network speed. That covers everything you need to know.